Okay, today we are going 2 to 2.5 hours northeast. We're headed to Fenton, Michigan. We're going to fish Silver Lake and Marl Lake. They're two connected. Getting ready to go. Should be ready to go by 9. Thanks.
Alright, we just got here. I didn't even drill another hole for another flag, and I turned around, this one popped. And it was spinning, it stopped. Let's see if there's a fish here. Got one. Something's on. Ooh, little hammerhead. First fish on a tip-up. I'm sorry, this is exciting for me. Oh, look at that. Nice little hammerhead. Oh, yeah. All right. Let's get it back down. All right. So just set up this tip-up like not 3 minutes ago. Already got one on that tip-up. Started drilling over there. Have a flag. It's not running, but we're gonna see right here if I got another one. Oh, I think I do. Missed him. Ah, he had it too. He probably ripped the bait off. Yep. Alright, well, that's 2 flags and 1 fish so far. Third flag out here. Went to move a different tip up from deep into a little bit shallower since I found the weed break. Making sure those 2 are fine. Since this doesn't look like it's running. Make sure this is good. Saw this one's popped. Already had 2 flags today, 1 fish, so we are going to see how this one goes. No idea. See right here, take my gloves off, go. Got him. Oh, I got him. Nice pike. Nice pike. Ooh, there's a little pike. Nice little pike. Good little pike. I like this hole so far. Definitely in a good spot, this hole. Take him. Put him right back down the hole. There he goes. Live another day. Alright, we're sitting in here, and I just looked up. If you can see out that window, that flag popped. So I'm gonna run and get it. Hopefully it's a big old pike. Have to see. Looking at my sonar. Grab my little gloves. Jump out. Bait buckets, everything is right here. I knew this was gonna be the flag to go. Got everything right here. Grab the pliers. Let's go see what we got. Ooh. Flag ain't spinning. No other fishermen out here. What is this, our 4th flag today? Yep, 4th flag. So I want to make my 3rd fish. Ah, he got off. Felt him there for a second. See if we got another bait on here. See if we get a deli. Oh, yep. No minnow. Alright, this morning, just past 7 o'clock, the sun's just coming up. Got my tip-ups out. We're on Marl Lake. Did good, pretty good yesterday. Got 5 flags and 2 fish, but they were my first flags, so I was pretty excited about that. First flags of the year anyways. Jigged for bluegills. Only got 1 small bluegill, so tippers were definitely doing better. Got them spread out again, right off the drop-off. We're going to see how we do. Just had a flag. I was setting another tip up way out there. Was not expecting that. Oh, okay. It's not spinning. Let's see. No bait. Clip the tail. Oh, there's a fish on here. Oh my gosh. Just set that down. There's a fish on here. As I was setting it down. I'm letting it take it. Oh my god. As I set the bait down in the water, I had one take it. I'm letting him eat it though. I want a blank flag like I've had. As I'm letting it down, wham, eats it. Oh my God. Just crazy. Please, in the comments, tell me if that has ever happened to you before. Oh. Got him too. Nice little pike. Look at that. Right in the corner of the mouth. That makes me so happy. I hate digging for the hook. I can't see my other rod. Dip you back in the hole, get all the snow off you. Alright, come back. Come here. Oh! Ah! Sliced me. Just sliced me. Oh, buddy boy. Oh, you hear that? That's scary. Oh. Come on, buddy boy. Small pike in this lake. I don't know why. Come on, buddy. Trying to get this hook, and I'm gonna let you go. There's the hook. Now he's all wrapped in my line. There's that. Nice little pike. Back down the hole.